Hello everyone, and this is me Ratna Thapa, and I welcome you in my class. Today I'm going to teach you about the features of first, second, and third generation of computers. Now, today you have to know about the features of first generation computer. So first of all, I'm going to tell you what is called first generation computer and when it was developed. So the computers that were developed and used during the time of 1945 to 1955 is called first generation computer. Its main component was vacuum tube, and you know that this type of computer size were very big. You see here, I have given here this picture. It is so big. So previous computers were very big, and this picture is the main component of first generation computer. This is vacuum tube. So let's start the feature of first generation computer. So you can say that here the number one feature of first generation computer is vacuum tube was main component of first generation computer. Number two, its size were very big. So first generation computer size were very big. Number third, they required more amount of electricity. So these generation computers needed more electricity to use it. Now fourth, they produce more heat also. Number five, they used machine language for programming. As you know very well that first generation computer were used machine language for programming. Now, its storage capacity was very less. Number six, very less storage capacity. It means the less storage capacity was of first generation computer. So they had very less storage capacity. Now, seven number. They used punch card for secondary storage. Nowadays, we are using hard disk for the secondary storage. At that time, first generation computer used punch card for the secondary storage. Now, eighth number is processing speed was measured in the millisecond because it was very slow and it was less reliable output, and the output given by the first generation computer was not reliable. And nine number, that is, it was very expensive. Example of first generation computer is Mark 1, ADBAG, UNIBAG, ENIAC, ADSEC are the example of first generation computer. So from beginning, I'm going to tell you feature of first generation computer. Vacuum tube was main component. Size was very big. They required more amount of electricity. They produced more heat. They used machine language. Very less storage capacity. They used punch card for secondary storage. Processing speed was measured in millisecond, and the output was not reliable. It was very expensive. And the examples are Mark 1, ADVAC, UNIVAC, ENIC, EDSEC, etc. Now, second generation computers. What kind of computer is called as second generation computer? You can define it like this: the computers that were developed and used during the time of 1956 to 1965 is called second generation computer. Second generation computer were used in this year, and it was used from 1956 to 1965, and its main component was transistor. Now, features of second generation computer. Transistor was the main component of second generation computer. Number two feature is size was bit smaller. It was smaller than first generation computer. Number third feature is they required less amount of electricity than first generation computer. Number four, they produce less heat than first generation computer. Number five, they used assembly language for programming. And the first generation computer used what? Machine language for programming. And in second generation, they used assembly language. Number six, bit more storage capacity. Yes, storage capacity was bit more than first generation computer. And second generation computer used magnetic tape and the magnetic drum for the storage. First generation used what? Punch card. And second generation used what? Magnetic tape and the magnetic drum for storage. Number eight, processing speed was measured in microsecond. But first generation used what? Millisecond. And it was more reliable output than first generation computer, and it was also expensive, but it is less expensive than say a first generation computer. So once again, feature of second generation computers are transistor was main component, size was bit smaller, they required less amount of electricity, they produced less heat, they used assembly language, bit more storage capacity than first generation computer, used magnetic tape and magnetic drum for storage, processing speed was measured in microsecond, and reliable output, and it was expensive. Examples of second generation computers are IBM 1401, Hewlett Packard, IBM 1410, and IBM 1420. You see here, this is big picture of this computer. Second generation computer size were big, but it is smaller, bit smaller than first generation computer. And this is the main component of second generation, and it is transistors. Okay, now third generation computers. What kind of computer is called third generation computer? So, the computers that were developed and used during the time of 1965 to 1975 is called third generation computer. It means third generation computers were used from 1965 to 1975, and it was developed in this period. Its main component is integrated circuit. You can say that IC also. The full form of IC is integrated circuit. So what is IC? You can say like this. Integrated circuit is also called as a chip or microchip. You can say either chip, either microchip. It is a plate or semiconductor wafer on which 1,000 or millions of tiny resistors, capacitors, and transistors are fabricated. So this is called as IC or integrated circuit. So IC is a chip where the millions capacitors, resistors, transistors are mounted on it, which is called as IC. Now, you see here, this is the picture of third generation computers. It is smaller than first and second generation of computer, and this is the main component. This is called as IC. Full form of IC is integrated circuit. Okay, now come to the features of third generation computer. They are integrated circuit was main component. It means the third generation computers main component was IC or integrated circuit. Number two, size was smaller than second generation computer. It was smaller than first and second generation computer. Third, they required less amount of electricity. They produced less heat. They used high level language. Storage capacity was more than second generation computers. They used a magnetic disk for secondary storage. And last one, that is processing speed, was measured in nanosecond because its speed was faster than first and second generation of computer, and output was also reliable than first and second generation of computer. Now once again, feature of third generation computers are: integrated circuit was main component. Size was smaller than second generation computer. They required a less amount of electricity. They produce less heat. They used high level language. Storage capacity was more than second generation computers. They use magnetic disk for the secondary storage. Processing speed was measured in nanosecond and more reliable output. Example of third generation computer is IBM 360, Univac 1108, SP 2100 are the example of third generation computers. Now, going to tell you here a difference between first and second generation computer. As you can write the difference between first and second generation of computer using the generation table also. Now you see the difference between first and second computer is: number one, first generation computer used a vacuum tube as main component. Second generation computer used transistor as main component. Number two, size of first generation computer were very huge and the second generation computer size were smaller. Third number, first generation computer's speed was very slow and second generation computers speed was bit faster than first generation. Number four difference, first generation computers cost was very expensive, so it was very expensive, and second generation computer, it was less expensive. Number five, programming language was machine language, and second generation computers programming language was assembly language. Let's see once here a difference. Vacuum tube was used as main component in first generation. Transistors were used as main component in second generation. Size of first generation computers were very big or huge. Size of second generation computers were smaller, bit smaller. You can say. Speed of first generation computer was very slow. Speed of second generation computer was bit faster, and first generation computers were very expensive and second generation computers were less expensive, and first generation computer were used machine language for programming and second generation computer used assembly language for programming. Okay, now bye bye, take care and see you soon in next video. Take care.